This is Joseph Drust, and welcome back to another episode of Ask ZBrush. So we had a question sent in asking, how can I keep multiple sections of the tool palette open at the same time? So to start off, I just have ZBrush loaded up, and I just have the earthquake model here loaded in. And the question is asking about opening these different areas over here on the tool palette. So if you've watched any of the Ask ZBrush videos before, you'll notice that oftentimes I go to the tool palette and I'll open up one menu, and then I'll go to another area and open up a second menu, and both of these menus stay open. Now by default, if you just have ZBrush with a fresh install, if you come over to the tool palette and you attempt to open up a menu over here, and then you go to another area to open up another menu, you'll see that it's going to close the one you had open and only show you the one you just clicked. So every time you change to a different menu, it's going to close the one you had open and then just show the one that you just selected. So how can you get these menus to stay open? So you can have multiple menus over here opened up at the same time. So there are two ways to do this. The first way just requires you to hold down Shift when you open a menu. So as an example of this, if I come to the UV map area here and click to open this up, and then now I also want to open the Polypaint area, I can hold down the Shift key on my keyboard and then click on Polypaint, and that will now open this one, but not close the other menu I already had opened. So you can come through and hold Shift and click on any of these options over here, and it's going to open that new area, but also keep the existing areas open. Now, if you don't like using the Shift modifier, you can also set a preference to make this the default functionality. So if we go to the Preferences tab up here and open this up, and then if we go to the Interface area, and then in the Interface area, if we go to Palettes, there is a button here that is called One Open Subpalette. And this is going to be enabled by default, so this will allow the process where if you click a palette, it's only going to open that one and it's going to close everything else. So if you want to be able to open up multiple palettes without using the Shift modifier, you can come over here and just disable this, and then after this is disabled, if you come over and now start opening these, even without holding the Shift key, you'll see you're going to be able to open and close as many of these as you want. And after you have one open, it's not going to close unless you come across it and close it manually. Now, if you've set the option for this preference, which is in Preference, Interface, Palettes, One Open Subpalette, if you've disabled this, you want to make sure that you store your config after you do this, so this setting will be remembered. So if you've turned this off, you can now go to the config area up here and now click the Store Config, and this will now remember this change that you've made here. And then the next time you restart ZBrush, it'll remember that you want the One Open Subpalette option disabled, and now when you come across and open any of your palettes over here, they're going to remain open until you close them. So if you have any other questions related to ZBrush pipelines or processes, please use the hashtag AskZBrush on Twitter. Happy ZBrushing!